The green energy movement's upon us. Indiana Warm Floors is all about saving energy for our customers. One of our principles has always been to kind of educate the customer. We hope that by educating them about the green technologies and the different installation techniques and so forth, that they'll feel comfortable enough to make the right decision on their own.
Yeah, the reason we went with the radiant heat is, number one, it's comfortable for us to work in a farm shop setting because the radiant, but also the radiant is also kind of reflects back to the whole green energy concept of having a better use of the BTUs through the floor. It's a much more efficient system, and so we're excited about putting it in use and seeing how it works this winter when the weather gets much colder.
We find that the customers are more concerned initially with the energy costs, but ultimately they end up being most satisfied because of the comfort level.
I just like the feel of the floor heat. The radiant is just more, it's kind of like a wood stove. It just radiates everything, so it's just a little more cozy as opposed to that drafty feel with maybe another type of forced air. Everyone I've talked to thinks it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. The main reason I went with Indiana Warm Floors is because they've been doing it since the 70s. And that's all they do. As opposed to a company that does a lot of other type of systems and they do this as well. I thought, well, this is what they've done for 30, 40 years. Pretty much if it's not floor heat, they're not involved. So that's the main reason I went with them, is because I felt like the money I was going to invest in it, and that it's in the floor, again, it's forever. I just really concerned about having someone who had a lot of experience with the system and the product.
And what we try to do is educate the clients on the many different techniques available to install this system, and then let them kind of select what suits them best. And so a lot of these points that Weston brought up are things that we discussed when we were originally designing the system, and I'm glad to see he's taken it wholeheartedly. All right, it looks like another good application by Indiana Warm Floors at the Weiler Farms here. We'll look forward to coming back and getting the boiler in as soon as possible.